Hello everyone, welcome back to Empower Yourself. Today we will talk about line clearance. What is line clearance and the types of line clearance, and what is the concept for line clearance and why is it so important in pharmaceutical industries? Let us see them all in detail. Line clearance. Line clearance is a critical process which is performed in pharmaceutical industries before startup of dispensing process, manufacturing process or packaging process. So here it says that line clearance is one of the critical process. So this line clearance is done before any startup action of any activity like dispensing of the material which is used in the process, or during the manufacturing of the process, or before the usage of the manufacturing equipment, or during the packaging process. Let us see the definition. The definition of line clearance goes like this. Line clearance is defined as the process which assures that all the leftovers of the previous product are properly cleaned before the startup of the next process. So, the line clearance. It talks about that removal or to take away the product or the things that are being used in the previous product before starting a new product or the next process or the next step. For example, my previous product could be DX, and now I'm going to plan to start the product Y. So before starting the product Y, I have to take all the things and all the related documents or the utensils that are being used for my X product, so that I would remove all those things and will start my Y product manufacturing. Let us see the concept of line clearance. The concept of line clearance in pharmaceutical industries is established to prevent mix-ups and to enhance product quality. So here we can see that two reasons and two basic concepts that are involved for the line clearance. One is to avoid the mix-ups and to enhance the product quality. So because of these two concepts, it has become one of the critical areas in the pharmaceutical industry. So here, as the name indicates, line clearance have two components. So the line clearance, if we see the line clearance and divide it into two components, as a component 1 as line and component 2 as clearance, and bringing them together we would get the line clearance. Let us see what is line actually and what is clearance and how it is done and how it has to be considered in our daily pharmaceutical activities. Line. A line may be any room, area or place in the pharmaceutical industry where dispensing, manufacturing or packaging activities is performed. All the equipment or components which are online or in line are checked critically during line clearance. So the line can be defined as any room or area where the pharmaceutical activities are being carried out. For example, dispensing of the materials in the warehouse or in the manufacturing area, or taking a clearance for the usage of the equipment, or manufacturing of the product in that particular area, or taking clearance for packaging of the material in the particular packaging area. So these areas where activity is being carried forward, which is a multi-purpose facility. So to avoid mix-ups, the area has to be cleared. So we consider the line to be a particular designated area where the multiple activities are being carried out. So that is what we call it to be the line. Let us see about clearance. Clearance. We use word to take line clearance, which means clearance is a sort of certificate for line, which is provided by the production officer and then by the QA personnel or quality assurance personnel to state that line is ready for performing activity. Before taking the clearance certificate of the line is cleared, cleaned, or washed depending on the requirements. So the clearance, the word itself says that to remove, to clear the things. So here the word to take line clearance means is to take clearance for the room or the particular area that is going to be used for the next product. So to give or to take the line clearance is that it is being given through a documented form. That could be through a certificate or through a format where it says that particular area has been given the clearance to use it for the performing of the another new activity. So the production officer will provide the line clearance certificate and he would ensure that all the previous product activities and previous product related things are being removed from the particular line, and this is being assured by the quality assurance person, and the quality assurance person would state that the particular area is being ready for performing the next new activity. So during the clearance activity, the line can be cleaned, can be cleared, or it can be washed depending upon the type of the requirement and depending upon the type of clearance that is needed. 3 C's of line clearance. First one is clearing of line. Second is cleaning of line. Third is checking of line. So these 3 C's are very important during the line clearance activity. Here the first C, that is clearing of line. It means that clearing all the particulars like labels, polythene bags, and different kinds of utensils or the product that has to be removed from the particular area, and that product would be the previous product. That means if the particular area is being used for multi-purpose activity, then the previous product that has been already manufactured has to be cleared completely so that a new product can be used and can be packed or manufactured in that particular area. So during the first stage of line clearance, the first and foremost thing that has to be done is to clear all the things related to the previous product so that we can manufacture the next product or the new product in that particular area. Next, coming to cleaning of the line. So after completion of clearing of the line, the cleaning of the line has to be performed so that we can start the new process or the new work can be started after cleaning of the line, so that there will not be any chance of cross contamination or mix-ups of the previous product. So after completion of clearing as well as cleaning, the checking of line is done. So the checking of the line is done initially by the production person. So he checks that each and everything related to the previous product is being removed, is being cleaned, and it is in a proper place, so that it will avoid the mix-up as well as the cross contamination, so that it will be used for the manufacturing of the next product. So all those things will be checked by the production personnel. Then after checking of all those things, that is being forwarded to the quality assurance person, and the quality assurance person will check in all the details, like checking of doors, walls and ceilings, checking of the equipment, and checking of the place, calibration status of the weighing balance, whether the equipment that is being used is in proper condition or not. So all such kind of things will be checked by the quality assurance person. So based upon all those things, a clearance will be given for the manufacturing of the product. Types of cleaning. As we have seen that cleaning is also one of the major important uh, activity that has to be done during the line clearance. Let us see what are the types of the cleanings that have been performed in the pharmaceutical industry in our daily pharmaceutical routine activities. First one could be batch to batch cleaning, or which can also be called as minor cleaning. The batch to batch cleaning includes, for example, I am manufacturing the batch X1, and after completion of that batch, I am going to manufacture my X2 batch, which is also of the same strength and same dosage form, and it doesn't have any contamination between the products, because it is of the same chemicals or the same reagents, same solvents are being used in the manufacturing of the product. So after completion of one batch, I'm going to clean the utensils or the equipment that is being used for the manufacturing of my X1 batch, and then after cleaning I'm going to use it for the X2 batch. So this could be the minor cleaning, that is called as batch to batch cleaning. So cleaning when it is performed after completion of one batch and during the startup of the next batch. So that cleaning will be called as batch to batch cleaning. The product changeover cleaning, that could also be called as major cleaning, because here there could be a chance of product mix-ups or cross contamination that can happen. So that is the reason why it is considered to be as major cleaning. So in a multi-purpose facility, whenever two or more or n number of products are being manufactured, then we go for the product changeover cleaning. That means here it clearly says that product change over. That means I am moving from one product to another product. So whenever such a kind of situation happens, we have to go for product changeover cleaning or major cleaning. During this cleaning, we have to clear all the related uh, things and all the related utensils, all the related documents, all the related scoops or any kind of things that has been used for a particular product cannot be used for the next product. So there should be a product dedicated, and those equipment all have to be clean so that it will not contaminate the next product that it will be manufactured in the same facility or same line. So during such a type of condition, we have to take the product changeover cleaning, and after getting the clearance from the quality assurance person, then only the next product can be manufactured in the particular facility. Coming to periodical cleaning or general cleaning. So this type of cleaning is that periodically, for example, whenever I'm manufacturing a 10 batches in a particular equipment, after completion of that 10 batches, I'm going to clean that particular equipment. So that is like consecutive 10 batches, and after again I'm going to use my equipment for 10 batches, and then again I'm going to clean the equipment, and again I'm going to reuse the same equipment for the manufacturing of the product. So this is the general cleaning that is being followed. So these are the types of the cleaning, and these types of cleaning are used in the pharmaceutical industries during the cleaning of the line. Importance of line clearance. As we saw that line clearance is very critical part in pharmaceutical industry. It is a very important activity. So the importance of line clearance is that it prevents chances of mix-up and assures the quality of the product, assures cleaning of the area and equipment. So it clearly says to avoid the mix-ups as well as to improve the quality of the product and to give that my product quality is perfect, as well as assuring that the particular area and equipment that has been used for the manufacturing of the product is be in a clean condition. So this is the reason why a line clearance is important in pharmaceutical industry. I hope you have learned some knowledge about the line clearance. Thanks for watching and learning. Do share your thoughts so that it will be helpful for others, and it will be a great platform for learning and improving our knowledge in the pharmaceutical field. Thank you.